Hey everyone, I am Daksh Patel and welcome back to our STL series. So we learn what is list and how we can implement it in previous video. In this video we will learn how we can remove value from the list. So first of all we use a function remove value from list. In that we use a pre-built function of that remove numbers.remove and then value of it. So we declare a list and then first of all we print it using for loop like we use vector to move. Then we take an input from user which number they want to delete, and then we call the function remove value from list and send the number which we have to delete to the function, and then it can delete, and at the end we print the whole. Let's run and check the test. So here are our list. So like I want to delete the 10, so I enter it and let's check. So you can see that it deleted the 10. Okay, thanks for watching.